Welcome to unboxification of this Bifrost for Amiga. So we got ourselves a card saying thank you, tasty snacks, some random newspapers, and the Bifrost. Anything else in here? Nope. So we got ourselves discounts on food. Is this from like Aldi or Lidl? From Heimdall. Okay, cool. Not heard of that place. But I've never been to Sweden, so that's apparently a place. That sells tasty meats and stuff. Cool. Yeah, interesting to see stuff from various random places around the world. So, what have we got here? Okay, we've got another seal. How do we get into this? Huh. We have a baggie. We have more baggies. We have one of those clip things. We've got ourselves some surface mount components on a card with some tape over it. And some instructions as to where to put those things by the looks of things. Okay. Cool. Have to see if we can figure out how to do that. And of course the all-important sticker, because everything must come with a sticker and with sweets. So, well, we'll have to revisit this and see what we can do about installing this thing.